How to fix slow keyboard problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu and then search for run. Now, open your run system and then over there simply search for control keyboard and press enter. From here you will be able to change your repeat delay from here like this. Make sure to adjust it as per your preference and then go to apply. After that, go to your start menu and then open terminal as an administrator. So run as administrator, type yes and then add this command. Now your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.